Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Create a release branch from main using a descriptive name like release 1. 2. 0. Update version numbers in your code and package files to match the intended release. Edit changelog. MD to list new features, bug fixes, and breaking changes clearly. Run your test suite locally and trigger CI to ensure all checks pass before proceeding. Fix any failing tests or lint issues and rerun CI until the pipeline shows green and stable. Open the Repository Releases tab and click Draft a new release. Set the tag name and target branch using a semantic version like v1. 2. 0. Write a clear, concise release title that summarizes the contents. Paste the prepared changelog or release notes into the description area for users. Attach compiled artifacts or binary files directly to the release when applicable for easy downloads. Create an annotated tag locally with git tag of v1. 2. 0m release of 1. 2. 0 for traceability. Push the tag to GitHub using git push origin tags or git push origin v1. 2. 0. Alternatively, create the tag directly in the draft release UI when publishing. Configure GitHub Actions to automatically build artifacts and publish them to the release on push. Add workflow step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.